Multiport handle. I've replaced my spider gasket and now the multiport valve handle is very loose and it won't lift the diffuser. What went wrong?
So if it's just the gasket that was replaced, likely when you re-screwed the multiport valve handle, the whole assembly down, it's not seated right. Because the only other possibility would be the spring. There's inside that handle, there's a stem that goes down to that plate that spins, and there's a spring in there. Unless maybe in taking it apart, somehow that spring decompressed and didn't re-stretch, which doesn't make any sense. It's likely just not seated correctly in there. There's really no other, it's such a simple mechanical thing, there's really nothing else, unless the other possibility would be is if you took the assembly itself apart and you took the handle, there's a pin that holds the handle in to the stem and the spring. If you took it all apart, then maybe you missed a part, maybe that spring didn't get put back in, but that's the only thing that makes sense.